Improving your home's energy efficiency is one of the best ways to save money, reduce your environmental impact, and enhance comfort. For homeowners in Clearwater, where hot, sunny weather dominates much of the year, windows play a significant role in keeping your home cool and energy efficient. Upgrading your windows or optimizing their performance can make a noticeable difference in how much energy your home consumes. Here's how you can improve your home's energy efficiency with the right windows. Upgrade to energy-efficient windows. If your home still has older, single-pane windows, they could be costing you hundreds of dollars in energy bills each year. Single-pane windows lack insulation and allow heat to enter your home easily, forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. Energy-efficient windows, such as double-pane or triple-pane options, are designed with advanced insulating technology. These windows often include low E, low emissivity, glass. Reflects heat while letting in natural light. Argon or krypton gas fills. Gases sealed between the panes reduce heat transfer. Insulated frames. Materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and composite frames help minimize energy loss. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows in Clearwater, you can significantly reduce heat gain, keep your home cooler, and lower your monthly energy bills. Choose windows with low E coatings. Low E glass coatings are a game changer for homeowners in sunny Clearwater. These special coatings are designed to reflect infrared light, preventing heat from entering your home while still allowing natural light to pass through. Low E windows help keep your interior cooler during the hot months and reduce the workload on your air conditioning system. In addition to improving energy efficiency, low E coatings protect your home's furnishings, flooring, and artwork from fading caused by UV rays. By blocking harmful UV light, you can extend the lifespan of your interior decor. Install impact-resistant windows. While impact-resistant windows are often chosen for their durability and storm protection, they also offer excellent energy efficiency benefits. These windows are made with multiple layers of glass and a durable interlayer that improves insulation. The added thickness and construction reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer during the occasional cooler months. For Clearwater homeowners, investing in impact-resistant windows not only provides energy savings but also enhances security and storm preparedness. A win-win for safety and efficiency. Ensure proper window sealing and installation. Even the most energy-efficient windows won't perform as intended if they're not installed properly. Gaps, cracks, or poorly sealed frames can allow air to leak in and out of your home, leading to energy loss and higher utility bills. A professional window installation service in Clearwater ensures that your new windows are fitted perfectly, with tight seals to prevent drafts and energy leaks. Additionally, professionals can inspect your current windows to identify and fix any existing gaps or damage. Consider window treatments for extra insulation. Adding window treatments like shades, blinds, or curtains can provide another layer of insulation, reducing the heat that enters through your windows. Here are a few effective options. Cellular shades. Designed with honeycomb-shaped cells that trap air and provide excellent insulation. Thermal curtains. Heavy, insulated fabrics that block heat and sunlight. Reflective blinds. Reflect sunlight away from your home to reduce indoor temperatures. Combining energy-efficient windows with the right treatments can optimize your home's overall energy performance. Regular window maintenance. Over time, windows can develop small cracks, lose seals, or accumulate dirt and debris that affects their performance. Regular maintenance is key to ensuring your windows remain energy efficient. Here are a few tips. Inspect windows annually for cracks, drafts, or damaged seals. Clean window tracks and panes to ensure smooth operation and visibility. Repair or replace weather stripping to maintain airtight seals. Proactive maintenance ensures that your windows continue to function optimally and helps you avoid costly energy loss. Choose the right window frame material. The type of window frame you choose can also affect energy efficiency. Materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and composite frames offer excellent insulation and are resistant to warping, rotting, or cracking in Clearwater's humid climate. For example, vinyl frames are a popular choice due to their affordability, durability, and energy-saving properties. Fiberglass frames, while slightly more expensive, offer superior insulation and long-term performance. Start saving with energy-efficient windows in Clearwater. Improving your home's energy efficiency with new windows is an investment that pays off in comfort, cost savings, and environmental impact. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows with low-E coatings, impact-resistant glass, and high-performance frames, Clearwater homeowners can enjoy cooler interiors and lower energy bills even during the hottest months. If you're ready to take the next step, consult a professional window installer in Clearwater. They can guide you through the process, from selecting the best windows to ensuring flawless installation. Start enjoying a more energy-efficient home today and make a smart investment in your comfort and savings.